Let's take a look at this transformer, high voltage transformer, 22,000 volts primary, and it's a Y primary to a 220, 127 secondary Y. Take a look at this. So here we have the primary side, and here we have the secondary side. And we can see it's Y input and Y output. And this is a 100 kVA transformer. So what we'll end up doing is getting the primary feed from the street, from a telephone pole, and it's going to go into this cable bus duct, and it's going to go into this transformer. Then from the transformer, the utility side is going to go into a transfer switch, which is going to be over here. And then the transfer switch is going to be fed with 3 different input outputs. We're going to have the 127, 220 volt 3-phase, going to come across into a transfer switch. Then we're going to have this 137 kVA generator as the backup into the transfer switch. And then the output of the transfer switch is going to go up across this bus duct. And this is not my work. This is not my work. Goes up and into the metering cabinet. I'll show you in a minute. So, like I said, where those wires came up, they come up right here. And I see one pretty much major fault here. Can you figure it out? What is wrong with this setup? Why is this setup not good?